BrookvilleLuxuryRealEstate.com. You know me, I've been in the city for many, many years. I've been selling real estate. I'm known for condos, but I do sell land for developer, for constructions, home, lots, you name it, businesses. But today I want to talk to you about something very special, which is the rental guarantee model. The rental guarantee model, I'm going to teach you everything about it and how it works. There's a lot of questions. It's relatively new in Toronto, but it's getting huge popularity very quickly. And every deal that we do with rental guarantee tends to sell out. You know, the crowds are always smarter than the individual. There's something here, and I want to explain to you how it works and why are people going to these events and buying the rental guarantees and how they work. Okay, so very simple. In the old days, a couple months ago, you'd go, you call me up, you say, I want to buy an investment condo. We'll review your needs, we'll review your financials, we'll review your goals, and then we'll basically cut down the list to what's available to fit your specific needs, find that property, go negotiate, buy it, close it. And then if it's ready, we'll put on the market for lease, and if it's not, we'll just wait until it is. Could be a couple months if it's assignment, could be longer if it's pre-construction, hasn't been built yet. We'll find you a tenant, we'll put the tenant in, you become landlords, and you become real estate investors, okay? There is a shorter, faster way of doing this. It's not always available. It is sometimes available. When it is, you need to pay attention because it's available only for a very short amount of time. And that is the rental guarantee. So you can see here, I'm just scrolling down my site. I hope you like the new design. I kind of like it. Invest and make $50,000 in rents, East 55. Platinum investment opportunity, reasons to invest, cash flows, and 155 red path. That was 55, and that's 155 here, and so on and so forth. There's not a lot of these deals, but there are some of these deals available. When they are, pay attention. They're going to come as a one-night sale only. The reason it's a one-night sale only is because we do not need to have it more than one night, because it does sell out. As many units as we put out, whether it's 20, 50, or 100, they will sell out that day. There's a long wait list that people send us the worksheets and they ask for units, and we try to allocate the possible units to the buyers. If it's not exactly what you want, it will get you the next one on your list. So what is rental guarantee? Here you go. Let's look at some examples. That was South Hill of Madison. Did really, really well. Sold out that night. Investor Suites of South Hill Madison, 3-year rent guarantee up to 13.1% return, make $81,900 or more. How did this work? And just so you know, guys, all the information here is here. There's nothing hidden. You can look at this. It's all posted on my site, and it's public and it's online. So do the homework, but I'll go through it right now. In this case, the developer is paying $3.50 per square foot. That's interior size, obviously, for 36 months. So, for example, if you bought a unit for, say, 600 square feet, what are you going to get? $2,100 for 36 months. Okay. How does it work? When you buy the condo, like everyone else with the payments, $5,000 now, 5% less $5,000 in 30 days, the next 5% in so many days, the next 5% in so many days, and usually it's a 5%, the last 5% on occupancy. And then you got to go find your tenant. In this case, you do not. All you do is you sign a paper allowing the developer to lease the unit from you at a guaranteed rate, in this case, $3.50 per square foot for 36 months. And then what you do is you just basically nothing. You just wait and get your money in. Okay? The developer will lease the unit from you and then sublease it or re-lease it to someone else they find fit. You do not have to worry about anything, about the tenant, about what's going to happen if they didn't pay you, if the tenant is good, anything like that, because you have a guaranteed lease from the developer for, in this case, for 3 years at $350 a foot, which is a very, very good rate. Most of the rental guarantees we do are between $3 and $4 a foot, and it's usually between 2 and 3 years, 24 and 36 months. In this particular case, we had no fees. I mean, people say, how much is it going to cost you? It's going to cost you nothing. You're just going to buy the condo like you buy it usually. You sign it for the program, and that's it. Off you go. wait for the building to finish, close on the building, just like close on the unit just like you would regularly, but you don't actually have to do anything. We'll do it all for you. The unit will be leased from you. You're gonna get the money. You're gonna get 36 checks or 36 deposits, and it's actual deposits. It's not cash back. It's not being reduced from your price. It's actually money in the bank that you receive. Whether there's a renter or not in the building, in your unit, it doesn't matter, because you lease it to the developer, and whatever the developer does with it, lease it to someone else or keeps it vacant, you don't have to worry about it, okay? Which is really nice, because also means that 3 years you could have potentially have 3 tenants. That's 3 headaches, or 6 headaches if when they come in and then when they leave. And then to organize all that, those of you like me who've been in the business for a long time and do a lot of these types of investor units and lease them out, you know, it can be quite a bit of work to lease it. It's usually pretty smooth, but it is work, it is time, it is energy, it is money, and you can save all that, which is great. Okay. In this case, you would have picked, and the nice thing about it, it doesn't really matter which unit you pick, because the rent is guaranteed. Let's say you wait the 2 or 3 years for the building to be completed. In this case, it's a small building, a little less. A tower will take another year. And then you got the 3 years of the rental guarantee. You come in 5 or 6 years from now, the market has risen by quite a bit. I'm not sure how much is going to rise in the next 5, 6 years, but we have seen the market going up by, 5 to 15% per year the last 10 years or so. So you may be doing really, really well. You may be doing only well, but you're probably going to do really well anyways. And in this example here, 350, 650 square feet, 2275 times 36, and you got 81,900. Those numbers are always calculated in some way to make sure that you can get that money and basically pay for your mortgage, for your condo fees, and for your municipal taxes, and have some money left for yourselves. So I don't know of a financial service that can offer you anything like that, that you actually get keys, you get a property to your name, and someone else paying you just to use it. It's that easy. So that was Casa Loma, South Hill, a really nice building. That's the last phase of the project. This is Axiom. There are 2 towers. We did that with both towers. That was a 3-year rent guarantee, $3 a foot. The prices here, initial prices to the investors, were lower, so $3 a foot was more than enough to cover all expenses and leave investors with some profit, with some net positive cash flow. Lovely project under construction now. Did really, really well. For those of you who've been, congratulations. This is 155 Redpath. This is all my site, by the way. All the videos are just videos I take usually with my phone. There was another program that did really, really well. That's the video from South Hill. You can actually go on a large unit, make over 100,000 in returns. We just did this last week at East 55. 2-year guarantee, downtown, very close to Axiom, actually. A lovely building with an outdoor pool. Really, really like this one. 2-year, done, sold 75 units. That's all there were available. Here's a picture of Axiom. Those are great, great projects, people. Those are projects that, someone else bought and paid for the same price, didn't get the rent guarantee. So who's doing better? The person with the rent guarantee, who knows for the first 2 or 3 years of the life cycle of the building, of the ownership of the property, will make these rent guarantees, or someone who bought the property and now has to rent it themselves, fire their own renters, come to me to find the renters. Okay? It's a very, very, very good option for everyone. In all these cases I just showed you, there were no fees, no deductions. You actually get 100% of the rental guarantee to you. Developer may allow themselves a short period to lease the unit. Usually it's at the beginning, just because they get 100 to 200 units to lease. It takes some time. It usually takes between 1 and 3 months. No big deal. That's logical, because if you were to rent it yourself, it'll take you that long too. Okay. And that's what it looks like. You fill this form, we get back to you, and we send you the information. That was the flyer for that deal, 2014. That was very good too. Okay, that's how they work. When we send you a file, for example, this is the file for East 55. I'm actually showing you the PDF for the file. That's what you'll get. You'll get a very detailed file that I have personally myself prepared, typed it in, did the graphic, put it into PDF, and you can see exactly what you get. You can see the deposit structure. And it's extended, by the way. So it's not only the rent guarantee, but it's also extended. First pick of all units. This is the first time we've done this type of deal because the building just came on the market. We've done the Platinum VIP and immediately after the rent guarantee back to back. So everyone did really well. This is a phenomenal building, by the way, East 55. You're still looking for units, give me a shout. You'll get the price list for the VIP. You get the ROI example. Here you see in these two samples, there's 13.2 and 11.7 returns based on all the factors here, okay? And of course, all the floor plans. And you'll see they're great floor plans. There's no magic here. You just gotta go and basically go for these units, okay? If you're not sure what to buy, if you're not sure what you want, give me a call. A lot of people call me every day and say, Yossi, I really wanna invest. I have done some before, I haven't done. I get a lot of people that call me, they haven't really maximized their investments. They simply bought maybe not at the best projects, weren't sure, got really excited. Some other friend bought somewhere. They might have paid too much. They might have bought the wrong unit or the wrong floor plan. That's what I'm here for. I'm here for to tell you which are the best units, which are the best developers. I'll give you all the details of the deal. Ask me about the developer's reputation. Ask me about the customer service. We have a lot of experience with all these companies, and we can tell you exactly what to expect working with each developer. And we'll just tell you. You know, if we had a great experience, we'll tell you. If we had not so great experience, we'll tell you that too. The idea here is to provide you as much information as possible so you can make the decision which is the best investment for you. Either way, any of these investments I just showed you work really, really well. They're all fantastic investments. They're well located. These are top of the line builders. They're financially secure. These are huge, huge companies, people. These are companies that have been building, in this case, Green Park. This company has been around for probably 30 years. Billions of dollars of construction left, and more coming, completed, and more coming, more left in the pipeline. These are very solid deals to do. They're easy to do. They don't really require much knowledge from you because everything is done for you. And once you come to pick up your keys after 5 or 6 years, pick up your keys, so to speak, you may have the option of renewing that deal if there's a demand for it, or just take it for yourself, sell it, flip it, find another renter, not a problem. I will be here in 3 years. I will follow up with you and I'll help you then. Okay, so that was a really quick introduction to rent guarantee units. It's an amazing option when you see it. Take some time. I know you're busy, everyone is, but take some time, take a look at it, give me a call. It could be the best investment you've ever made. Okay, this is Yossi Kaplan. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.